Billions of dollars being set aside to help schools and educators across the country as districts return to in-person learning. COVID-19 specialist Amanda Decker takes a look at what the money will be used for as schools work to return to normal.
$10 billion. That's how much money the Department of Health and Human Services is setting aside to support continued COVID-19 testing in schools across the country. The money was included in President Biden's COVID response and pandemic preparedness strategy to get tests to the people who need them the most. Testing students, teachers, and school staff can help COVID-19 infections be caught early enough to prevent them from spreading, which means preventing outbreaks and school closures. The amount of money each state receives will vary depending on population and number of school districts. In California, for example, almost $890 million will go toward this program. In New York, about $335 million. States like Tennessee and Indiana will get about $205 million. Arkansas and Mississippi, about $90 million. Federal HHS officials plan to work with state and local health departments to set up and execute these programs on a local level. Their ultimate goal to have schools reopen for in-person learning for the final months of the spring semester, but definitely by the time the new school year begins in the fall. Now, just last week, the CDC issued some new guidance for schools saying it is safe for students to maintain at least 3 feet of social distancing instead of 6, allowing more students to return to class while still being at a safe distance from each other. I'm COVID-19 specialist Amanda Decker reporting.